shoppers, I want to show you the sewing kit I keep in my car. Now this is the Sew Simply kit by Artika, and I love the convenient little case it comes in. It comes in this nice little faux leather case. It's got a zipper on all three sides, and honestly this just goes in my glove compartment box so that I can have access to sewing things if I have a sewing emergency. Let's open it up here. Now when I open it up, you can see all the wonderful things that are in this sewing kit. First of all, I have a color thread for just about any sewing emergency I can imagine. There is a wide range of polyester threads in here, and I love how nice and neat they are kept. There's this great little elastic that holds the individual little rolls of thread, keeps it nice and organized, and I think this is awesome. As well, it's a really slim profile, so even when I have it closed, it's definitely not very thick, and you get a lot of thread in here for the size of the package. I can't imagine not having something from this collection to fix any emergency I would have in sewing. Now on this side, you have all the tools of the trade for sewing emergencies. Now, if you ever get a pull in your sweater, a crochet hook is such a great tool to have. All you have to do is take your crochet hook and just pop it through the sweater from underneath, take a little loop and hook the thread that's pulled and just pull it through, and then you can't even see the pull in your sweater. I can't tell you how many times I've done that. You get some other really awesome little tools in here. Right here, there is a darning needle, so you can actually fix your socks if you need to. This here is a stitch ripper, so if you ever have to take out any seams, all you have to do is just use that tool like that. Nice and handy for pulling the stitches out. It's wonderful. Here is your darning needle for fixing those socks when they get holes in them. And I don't know about you, but I think my boys have the sharpest toenails ever. And I'm always darning socks. It's kind of annoying, but I feel like it might be a lost art. So if you want to learn how to darn, you can definitely save yourself some money in socks. A nice little measuring tape for anything that you would need to measure and cut. It's also great, they give you this nice little set in a reusable plastic container. You've got safety pins, buttons, and even a needle threader, because I don't know about you, but I get frustrated when I'm trying to thread a needle and it doesn't work for me. This makes it so much easier. You get a really nice package of 30 different assorted needles, all different sizes for different applications. This is really handy too. It's a great little fan that has your pins on it. And what I like about it is they come in and out of the fan really easy. It keeps them nice and neat. And I don't pick myself when I put my hands in here because it also keeps all the sharp edges protected inside here. That's a really cool feature. This is a little magnifying glass so that you can see all the small fine stitches that you have to do. You've got a thimble, a really nice pair of embroidery scissors, and then these cute little clips. There's 4 of them, and they're great for holding stuff in place while you do your sewing. I just think this is the cutest, cleverest little kit, and it definitely has its place of honor in my glove compartment box in my car. I love how convenient it is, everything all zipped up in a nice small little case, even labeled, so if my fellas are looking for it in the car, they don't come back and say, "Mom, I can't find the sewing kit." It's right there. If you were looking for a wonderful little sewing kit, this one here is 106 pieces, great for travel, great for your car and those sewing emergencies. And at my house, it is definitely a family favorite.